Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we got one from NoodleMix. This is another one of their varieties. This has Konjac noodle in it, and it's a pumpkin Konjac with, I think it said Kelp and seasonal vegetables, so that's what we're doing now. So this goes for a minute 30, and yeah, here's the seasonal vegetable mix. This I'm really curious about. Quite a large sachet. Oh wow. Can you see? Look at all that. So I'm gonna drop that in. Here's our pumpkiny. Gonna drop that in. Come on, open up. There we go. There's that. Okay, that one's not making it. And then we've got our dry base. Maybe this will help. I've got horrible allergies right now. And, yeah. There's that. Return it to a barrel, and it'll go for a minute and a half, like so. And it likes it to be stirred. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing there, boys and girls. So I'm wearing a shirt you may not have seen before. The company that makes this NoodleMix stuff sent it to me. Thank you very much. It's a little small, but maybe I'll, I don't know. This is my 32nd day of walking 10 miles a day, and my intake has been 1,200 calories a day. So the end result of that should be a lot less of me to see. So and they also sent me this awesome fan with my name on it, which is really cool. So yeah, I'm miserable, but I'm being very productive. That's like my buddy, he's sick as a dog. I think he's got allergies too, and he's just sleeping all day. I can't do it. I got too much at stake. I don't know. 32 days in a row walking 10 miles a day. I don't want to break that streak for nothing. Not at all. This stuff is a trip. I gotta say, if it's anywhere near as good as the last one, it'll be another 5-star affair. The last one that I had lion's mane mushroom in it, and I've never heard of that. And so I thought I'd give it a try, and guess what? It was really good. I had to look it up online and see if I could tell the difference between that kind of mushroom and another mushroom, because they just seem too meaty. Like they were made out of meat. And I watched a video about it and the ingredients, or what lion's mane mushrooms are. It was like meat, and it's chewy, and it's exactly the consistency it should be. So that was pretty neat. Here is the noodle. Maybe the last one wasn't pumpkin. That definitely has the shade. Oh wow. Definitely vegetable strong. I know this one and the last one were meat free. Look at that though. That's some kind of mushroom, I think. have no idea what those little things are, but they're pretty darn good. There is so much vegetable action in this. Yeah, I like it. It definitely is a kelp broth, but it doesn't make me like go, wow, this is really fishy and funky and weird. This is really tasty and savory and nice. Try another piece and then we'll start plating. This stuff is like super low cal. I think the whole thing was under 200 calories for all we got here. Yay, new things, new experiences. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Very good, very good. I am so wiped out, and I still have like, I've done 8 miles. I've got 2 more to go, and I'll be doing that after I've done my reviewing for the day. Come on, let go. But yeah, this company is definitely about the healthy stuff, and this just like exudes healthy. You know what? I'm gonna have some extra of it, and I think I'm gonna bring some to my doctor. He's from Taiwan, as is this company. I always bring my doctor some instant noodles. You might be like, whoa, that's weird. No, I think he likes it. He always asks me, so what's going on in the instant noodle world? Cool guy. All he has to do is say, oh, you'll gain weight. Or, yeah, I'm gonna have to put you on this medication. And I'm on it. I'm on it. I'll come back, you'll be happy. So there's some spring onion. I've got some jalapenos. Excuse me, as you can tell, I'm just like all jumped up. Ugh. But yeah, I have jalapenos and other stuff for another review, but I think I'm gonna keep this kind of simple. But I really can't put a little element of heat. I can't go without. That's enough. All right. Well, there we are. Some Konjac noodle, pumpkin infused with seasonal vegetables and a kelp-based broth. Really unique and not in that kind of way. Go, oh, that's unique. In the way of, wow, that's unique and it's good. So yeah, rotato, rotate. Yeah, wow, absolutely wonderful and unique stuff from Taiwan. Tasty and elegant, and wow, thank you for sending that to try. The next one you're gonna see is something completely different, and it hails from Japan, and it's in this box. It's a special Ippudo variety that came by way of Zen Plus. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out. Thanks. Have a good one, and bye-bye.